I wield Trishula, time's hinge. 3 prongs hold 3 portals. The first portal is birth and becoming all at once. The second portal is keeping, the weight of what endures. The third portal is annihilation, the grace of non-finality. Time is not only a clock, but a teacher. The weapon becomes a map of moments, a compass of fate. The blade cuts fear by showing impermanence. In Shiva's hands, order emerges from the chaos of change. We see that each era borrows light from the next. We learn that time is a temple, not a tomb. The Trishula remains quiet while powers whirl around it. It reminds us to choose our actions with care. It invites us to practice detachment without indifference. The first truth asks us to witness beginnings without clinging. The second truth asks us to honor endings without rushing them. The third truth asks us to embrace the space between breath and silence. If we listen, time teaches restraint and courage. The weapon's edge reveals that authority is responsibility. Perhaps true power is time kept within mercy. Perhaps the 3 truths converge inside a single moment of awareness. Then the weight of the world settles in the hands that wait. The temple breathes with a patient, sacred tempo. The 3-fold truths do not shout, they invite a listening heart. The fire in the eye of Trishula is the flame of discernment. We learn to count breaths instead of trophies. We learn to hold victory with humility and loss with grace. The Trishula does not travel, time travels through it. In the temple of the self, Trishula becomes a mirror. The shadow of time is ego's impatience and fear of endings. We learn to count seasons instead of seconds, to honor endings with care. The blade becomes a bell at the threshold of becoming. The first truth asks us to witness beginnings without clutching. The second truth asks us to honor endings without clinging. The third truth invites us to dwell in the space between thought and action. Then the silence thickens and the room remembers our questions. The world outside slows its rush to listen with us. If we listen, we hear a patient argument between will and wonder. There is a gravity that steadies a restless heart. What if the weapon is a discipline rather than a weapon at all? What if the 3 truths are a practice, not a doctrine? What if the answer is simply to become more awake to time itself? The air grows heavy with the scent of incense and old stone. We stand at the edge of a vast clock and take our place in its slow rhythm. We realize that power without mercy is a storm without a harbor. We realize that time asks for restraint, mercy, and courage. The path becomes clear not by domination, but by alignment. The 3 truths invite us to act with clarity, compassion, and patience. The 3 truths invite us to release what pretends to stay. The 3-fold truth invites a daily oath to serve the whole. In this turning, the weapon becomes a mentor in stillness. The self, the cosmos, and time touch at a single point.